Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 26 November 2025, Nifty Index opened on a positive note but moved with volatile two-way swings throughout the session, largely on account of monthly expiry. Intraday moves lacked clear direction as both bulls and bears attempted to take control at different intervals. However, in the last hour, the index came under sharp selling pressure, dragging it lower and even breaching the previous session's low. This late decline reinforced the weakness visible over the last few sessions. On the daily frame, Nifty formed a bearish candle and continues to maintain a sequence of lower highs, lower lows from the last 4 trading sessions, indicating sustained pressure and a lack of strong follow-through buying at higher zones. India VIX was down by 7.5% to 12.2 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 0.84. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,400 to 26,300, while immediate range is in between 25,700 to 26,100. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were buyers worth 918 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 3,423 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 15%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 26,000, weakness could be seen towards 25,600, while hurdles have shifted lower to 26,000 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 58,750 for the next up move towards 59,000, while support can be seen at 58,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in AB Capital, Federal Bank, Canara Bank and Bharti Airtel, while some weakness could be seen in Paytm, Mazdoc, Trent, Hindustan Petroleum and IRCTC. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.